Every loaf begins far from the factory, where raw ingredients grow under open skies.
Quality is decided before a single machine ever turns.
Timing matters, measured in color, weight, and ripeness. Harvested fruit moves quickly to preserve freshness.
Every step is designed to avoid damage and delay.
Here, volume meets control.
Only specific grades are chosen for consistent baking.
Uniformity begins long before mixing and heat. Traceability follows every batch.
From soil to system, movement never stops.
Temperature and timing protect flavor. Sweetness comes from another harvest, equally precise. Multiple supply chains converge into one recipe. Flour begins its journey here. Measured, weighed, and documented. Protein and structure are handled with equal care. Different origins, one destination. The factory awaits what the fields have prepared. Raw ingredients now enter an industrial rhythm. Production begins long before mixing starts. Controlled access ensures controlled quality.
Every shipment is verified, logged, and cleared.
From public roads to private precision. Logistics are mapped down to the meter. Fruit arrives at its first industrial checkpoint. Manual labor meets mechanical accuracy. Handling is gentle, even at scale. Dry ingredients follow sealed paths.
Flow replaces handling.
Air becomes a transport tool.
Fragile inputs demand careful pace.
Many paths, one process.
The factory awakens with motion.
Processing is about to begin.
Raw inputs are now inside the system.
This is where agriculture becomes industry.
Every opening feeds a precise workflow.
Human oversight remains essential.
Clean hands protect millions of servings.
Contamination is stopped before it starts. Inside, scale becomes immediately clear.
Each ingredient waits its turn. The banana's industrial journey begins here.
Data guides every decision. Infrastructure keeps everything moving.
Automation reduces variation.
Nothing stands still inside this system. Movement is planned before it happens. Preparation begins behind sealed walls. Controlled environments protect consistency.
This is where transformation truly starts.
Even spacing ensures even results. Cleanliness is the first transformation. The first wash removes what the field leaves behind. Clean water and pressure do the quiet work. Nothing is wasted, even the rinse. Technology now takes over the inspection.
Every fruit is judged in milliseconds.
Consistency demands difficult decisions.
Uniform input ensures uniform baking.
Preparation becomes mechanical precision.
Even waste has a destination. Clean surfaces reveal true quality.
Precision improves downstream mixing.
Timing between steps is measured. Form matters as much as flavor. Speed increases without losing control. Data confirms balance. The next transformation is imminent.
Solid becomes soft, ready for mixing.
Texture is engineered, not guessed. Flow rates are carefully balanced. Uniformity begins before mixing.
Recipes are locked in code.
Sweetness is measured, not tasted. Air carries structure. Binding ingredients arrive last.
This is the heart of the process, naturally.
Texture forms under pressure. Heat is controlled, not allowed. Timing defines outcome.
The mix is complete.
Short pauses improve structure.
Nothing is left to chance.
The line moves forward.
Precision meets volume.
Shaping is about to begin. Portions define consistency.
Even surfaces bake evenly.
Machines confirm what eyes once did. Flavor layers are added with restraint.
Timing aligns before heat.
Heat transforms chemistry. The bake begins. Expansion is carefully controlled. Structure locks in. Moisture decides softness.
Heat is never uniform by accident.
Color signals readiness.
Transformation is complete.
Cooling protects structure.
Temperature drops by design.
Crumb sets quietly.
Ready for the next stage.
Automation takes control again.
Automation removes what heat has finished. Every tool is recycled instantly.
Quality is measured at full speed.
Consistency allows no exceptions. Consistency allows no exceptions.
Orientation matters downstream.
Flow replaces force.
Safety is silently verified.
Trust is built through checks.
Every gram is intentional.
Preparation prevents damage.
Precision begins before the blade. Uniform slices define the product. Control replaces estimation. Speed does not sacrifice accuracy. Structure is preserved. Clean lines prevent defects. The line narrows toward completion.
Automation delivers reliability at scale.
The product nears its final form. Texture is verified, not assumed. Details matter at scale. Shape defines perception.
Accuracy earns trust.
Shelf life is protected silently. Precision feeds packaging. Speed replaces hands. Handling is reduced to zero. Protection is applied instantly.
Every loaf carries its history.
Seals protect quality.
Order replaces motion.
Repetition without fatigue. The product is nearly complete.
Quality is verified, not assumed. Randomness keeps standards honest.
First checks are visual.
Protection must hold. Declared weight is guaranteed. Moisture defines shelf life.
structure tells the truth.
Safety is measured invisibly. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.